Jai Hind everyone, my name is Vinay. I am from Shajapur district of Madhya Pradesh. I did 10 plus 2 from MP board with 81% marks. I did NCC A certificate with grading A from 4 MP battalion NCC Bhopal. I did BSc from MG college, that's under Barkatullah University. My hobbies are listening songs, reading newspaper and watching movies. I want to join Indian Air Force for a disciplined life and for a badge of dignity. The topic of discussion is sexual harassment. Sexual harassment is the harassment if any man or any woman at his workplace forced to do any sexual work. Sexual harassment may be lots of types. It may be physically, mentally, or it may be physically, mentally, or forced to do some work that also caused a sexual harassment. And because of sexual harassment, lots of women are not involving in lots of jobs, and because of this, strict laws should be implemented to control out by the government to the sexual harassment. And sexual harassment, lots of negative points of sexual harassment. The person who are involved and find involving in the sexual harassment may lost his social image, and may be discouraged, and maybe the person who is involving in the sexual harassment may be discharged from his job and his employment work. And the person who is involved in the sexual harassment or caused to forced any girl to sexual harassment, the girl or the woman can complain in the court and file a case against this particular person. But because of the importance, because of the proper strict laws in our Indian judiciary system against sexual harassment, because of the lack of proper laws and implementation of these laws under the section of 509 and about 340, IPC section are implemented in Indian Penal Code, but they are not implementing properly, and government need to government need to make the judicial system more transparent, and quick action should be taken by the judge or the judge of Supreme Court, High Court, and the district court, and the district magistrate also be involved, and the police action should be taken quickly. If the action is not taken for a long time, then the criminal or the person who did the sexual harassment to a particular woman or girl, then the crime is increasing because of this. And there are some challenges in front of our country people and government, that the proper laws are not for both men and women, and everything deserves the woman, that the mistake that was doing in the sexual harassment was only can be done by the men, but it is not happen. It can be done by both men and women. So the equal and gender equality laws should be implemented. The danger discrimination laws should be changed into the gender equality laws, and the appeal of both men and women should be heard in the court, and after which the court should be given a conclusion within the 2 to 3 days of after the plead in the court. And we and the government need to do some things for sexual harassment, that companies have make strict policies. If anyone is joining that particular company about the sexual harassment and any kind of mistake, then the police case may be filed against that particular person, and the government should implement the strict laws. If any person or any man or woman is involved in the and found guilty, then that will also be a case against the particular person will be filed, and for which country people and both men and women need to be aware in the proper way, that how can it reduces their characterness among the society, and caused their mental illness, stress, and lots of things may be happen with them. So because of this, and by doing such things, we can remove out the sexual harassment, not in 1 to 3 days, but after a long process within 1 year, we can about every sexual harassment may be removed. Thank you. Jai Hind.